0 to 1 by Peter Thiel, Story Type Summary. In a buzzing tech city where startup founders echoed each other's ideas like reflections in a mirror, a young dreamer named Arian prepared to launch his startup. Like many, he believed innovation meant improving something that already existed: faster delivery, sleeker design, cheaper prices. But deep down, he felt like just another drop in a crowded sea. Then one evening, at a quiet cafe corner, Arian picked up a book that would change his perspective forever, 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. Through Thiel's voice, Arian entered a different world, a world not driven by competition, but by creation. Thiel explained that doing what others already do, even slightly better, takes you from 1 to n. But true innovation, going from 0 to 1, means creating something entirely new. It's not about more, it's about different. Thiel asked a daring question. What valuable company is no one building? Arian paused. He had never asked that. He had always followed the market, never questioned it. Inspired, he began thinking differently. He learned that great companies are built on secrets, truths that few people believe, yet are undeniably real. The best founders aren't the loudest, they're the clearest. They build not for hype, but for long-term value. Thiel's stories came alive, of PayPal's beginnings, of how monopolies aren't evil but essential when they are built ethically and with unique value. Arian read about the power law, how a few startups generate most returns. He learned that copying leads to mediocrity, but innovation leads to domination. Arian stopped working on another ride-sharing app. Instead, he focused on a new idea: building decentralized learning platforms for rural India. It was risky, it was fresh, it was 0 to 1. He built a small team that believed in his vision. Like Thiel advised, they avoided short-term noise and focused on the future. They didn't rush to scale, they worked to get the foundation right: clear vision, a strong product, and a purpose-driven culture. As Arian's platform gained users, he realized he hadn't just built a product, he'd built something the world didn't have before. Peter Thiel's message was clear: don't just join the race, escape it. Don't compete, create. Because the next big idea won't be a copy of yesterday's success. It'll be something the world didn't even know it needed, until you built it. That's the journey from 0 to 1.